One, do this to triple your online income in just 1 month. Do you want to triple your online income in just 1 month? Then that is what I am addressing in this video, and this video is for you. In a digital economy full of distractions and empty promises, tripling your online income in just 30 days might sound like a pipe dream, but for many, it has become a reality. Not through shortcuts or scams, but through strategy, consistency, and focus. If you want to dramatically increase your earnings online, this video is your blueprint. Here is exactly what you must do starting from now. Number 1, pick one profitable focus area and then go deep in that area. Too many people dabble in everything: affiliate marketing, crypto, YouTube, dropshipping, and master nothing. What then do you do? Choose one proven model that matches your skills, matches your interest and your audience. For instance, content creator, focus on YouTube plus affiliate marketing. Skilled professional, launch a digital product or course. Good with people, try service-based freelancing like social media, copywriting, voiceovers. Why? It works. It works because of specialization builds authority. Authority brings trust. Trust then drives the income. Number 2 thing you can do is to create daily and then promote daily. The internet rewards visibility. If you are not creating and promoting something every day, you are invisible. What do? Post shorts or reels daily, if on YouTube or social platforms. Then promote your offers or content in Facebook groups, WhatsApp statuses, email newsletters, and many more. Then create value posts that lead to offers, not just motivational stuff. So you create value posts that will now lead to offers, something that will be valuable to people, and people can now offer you something. The result is that your traffic and reach will compound, and so will your income. Number 3 thing you need to do is to add an income layer. That means you are going to upsell, like affiliate, upsell, affiliate, or offer. You may be leaving money on the table. What do you do in this case? Add affiliate products under your videos or blog, like Amazon, Jumia, Pytools, crypto wallets, online courses. For Jumia in Nigeria, at least, they in recent times, they wrote me that they are going on break when it comes to affiliate. I will check if they are back and let us know. Then offer consulting or training services on what you know. Sell an ebook or mini course, even if it is 5,000 naira, or sell to 100 people, and that is 500,000 naira. Promote tools you use and love. They are easier to sell. Number 4 is that you have to fix your funnel. Free leads to value, and then the value leads to offer. People buy when they trust you. What do you do in this case? Give away something for free. Checklist, video, PDF. Give them for free. Then use it to build an email list or Telegram group. Then consistently teach, build trust, and present your offer. This simple funnel works in every niche, from food to crypto to health and even to faith. Now, number 5 thing you need to do is to use the 3-hour rule daily. Most online income is lost in inconsistency. Most online income, I repeat, is lost to inconsistency. Here is the fix. Block 3 focus hours daily, minimum, to do nothing but create content, market your offer, engage your audience, study high income skills. This discipline alone will double or triple your income fast. Now, this is a real case study. Chinedu, a Nigerian YouTuber, had just 1,000 subscribers in March. He focused solely on crypto tutorials and added affiliate links to wallets and exchanges. By April, he had over $700 in affiliate earnings with fewer than 10,000 views. What is his strategy? He daily uploads videos. Then he has daily community posts and value-focused affiliate content. Now, this is my final thoughts. If you really want to triple your online income this month, don't wait for motivation. Act, publish, promote, sell, and then repeat. The money is already online. You just need a clear plan, consistent action, and value-driven content. In the digital economy, the loudest, consistent voice with real value wins. You want to learn more about strategies like this? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun YouTube channel. Do you need mentorship or business support? Then contact me. I am going to guide you and assist you on it. You can drop your phone number or your email in the comment section if you want one-on-one consultancy. And if you want me to answer any question you have on this channel, you can go ahead and drop your question there and I will respond. Until I come your way in the next one, remember, this channel, I teach you basically two things: how to make money online and how to make money offline. I make a boast. If you keep coming on this channel for 6 months, your life is going to change. Daily for 6 months, you are seeing one of my videos, watching it from beginning to the end, and you are taking action on it. Not just watching and not taking action. You take action on my videos. In 6 months, your life is going to change. In the book, The Richest Man in Babylon, one of the secrets there is action. People that take action are favored by the goddess of good luck. So when you take action, that is what is going to be promoted. Somebody said, in school, we experiment. But when we leave school, we don't want to experiment again because we don't want to fail. But the success comes inside of the failure. When you try 5 things, 2 or 3 are likely to fail. So this is the principle. Go on my channel, check my content, whether online business or offline business, check it, and then you can take action on it. And if you take action on any 5, I can guarantee you 2 or 3 will succeed. And then you are going to break through from there. If you have any questions still after seeing any of my videos, still come back below the video where you saw it, and then I am going to be there to respond to your questions within 24 hours. I will see you in the next one. Remember to subscribe, like this video, share the link of this video to family and friends, and drop your comment and question in the comment section below. Until I come your way in the next one, I believe that you are going to use these strategies and you are going to see great rewards in a short while. See you in the next one.